Students, let us take second paragraph of the lesson. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together by Gordon Cook and Alan East. Already we have discussed about Gordon Cook and Alan East in the first video. Now let us discuss about the characters. So before we discuss about characters, we shall discuss about Babe Walker, the name of the ship. So they have started their journey in one of the ship, and the name of the ship was Babe Walker, and its length was 23 meter and weight 3 tons. Narrator is a 37-year-old businessman. He started his journey with his wife, whose name is Mary, and both of them had two kids. First, about the daughter Suzanne, whose age is 7 years, and Jonathan, son of the narrator, and he is 6 years old. So you are familiar with the characters. What are the characters? Yes, narrator himself, his wife Mary, his daughter Suzanne, his son Jonathan, and all of them have started their journey in one of the ship, and name of the ship is Babe Walker. And when they started their journey, only they were the family of the narrator, and when they have covered some distance, then they brought two more crewmen. And who were the two more crewmen? They were Larry Vigil. Yes, Larry Vigil, he was American, and another crew was Herb Sizzler. Herb Sizzler. He is Swiss, belong to Switzerland. Two more crewmen joined the company of the voyagers. Now let us see the lines. The first leg of our planned 3-year 1,05,000 kilometers journey passed pleasantly. First leg means first part of their planned journey. They had, means narrator had planned his journey for 3 years. So they have covered, he had covered with his family how much distance? 1,05,000 kilometers of that planned journey of 3 years. Happily, as we sailed down the west coast of Africa to Cape Town. They have sailed means went to journey, covered the distance in the ocean, sailed down the west coast of Africa, western side of Africa. They have covered, that was to the Cape Town, coast of Africa to Cape Town. They have reached to Cape Town, covering the western side of Africa. There, before heading east, we took on two crewmen, and from there, from Cape Town, before moving towards the eastern direction, heading means proceeding towards the eastern direction, we took two crewmen. They took two more sailors. Two more sailors joined the company. Who were the two more sailors? They were Larry Vigil and Herb Sizzler. Larry Vigil and Herb Sizzler also have joined the company to help us tackle one of the world's roughest seas, and they joined it to help them. Where? Because the narrator was proceeding towards the eastern side, and when he was about to proceed to the eastern side, he was to face the roughest sea, the sea that was not calm, it was violent, the southern Indian Ocean, southern part of the Indian Ocean. Southern part of the Indian Ocean is very rough, and he was moving towards the southern part of Indian Ocean. Now next paragraph. On our second day out of Cape Town, we began to encounter strong gales. On our second day. Now second day was there, means first day finished. So on second day out of Cape Town, they departed from Cape Town. We began to encounter strong gales. They had started facing strong Gales. Gales means tempest, storms. For the next few weeks, they blew continuously. For the next few days, it did not stop. It continued blowing. What did it start? Continue blowing? The gales, the tempest, the storm continued blowing for next some weeks. Gales did not worry me. He was not worried about the gales, about the tempest, about the storm. But the size of the wave was alarming. He was worried about the size of waves. Waves were very high. And that was worrying to the narrator, not the gales. So what? Worried the narrator? Not the gales, but size of what? Waves. So gales did not worry me, but the size of the waves was alarming. Up to 15 meters. So it was going, the waves were going to the height of 15 meters. As high as our main mast, to the height of main mast. Main mast is in the mid of the ship and it gives support to the ship with the stringing. Here are stringings and it gives the support. So it is a very high log in the mid of the ship. So it is connected with riggings and what? And sails. Sails is known shroud also. So December 25 found us 3,500 kilometers east of Cape Town. Now it was December 25 and the narrator and others have completed the journey of 3,500 kilometers east of the Cape Town. Despite atrocious weather, we had a wonderful holiday complete with a Christmas tree. Although the weather was cruel, but they had completed their wonderful holiday. We had a wonderful holiday complete with a Christmas tree, and that holiday was about to complete with the Christmas tree means it was going to complete on 25 December on the Christmas day. New Year's Day saw no improvement in the weather. Although New Year Day came after 6 days, 5 or 6 days, 1st January came, but there was no improvement in the weather. Weather was worsening. But we reasoned that it had to change soon. And the narrator and others had some reasons that surely it would change. What would change? The condition of the gales would change. And it changed. The condition of the gales, tempest changed for the worst. It did not improve. It became more bad. What did become more bad? The condition of the gales, the tempest, the storm became more cruel. So I think these paragraphs are clear to you. Thank you.